What's up? My name is Logan. I'm a self-proclaimed action sport, water, surf, photographer, whatever you want to call it. I play with the camera. Anyways, I went and did a shoot for Armstrong Foils last night and my buddy Austin. It's for one of their upcoming releases. And I have most of the footage that I need to like get this done, but just wanted to go out, hit one more session and get a little bit more just to add to the repertoire of what they have to choose from. And I cleaned my sensor right before. I'm frothing, gear ready, just did a quick wipe on the sensor, and I get out there, we shoot for the whole like hour and a half, and I like noticed something on my LCD, like a little like squiggle, but I didn't really think much of it because it went away a little bit when I shook the camera. But anyways, I get back home, I review the footage and the photos, and there's just like a fat squiggle like across everything. I like open up my camera and I check the sensor, and there's a freaking dog hair straight across it, just straight across, chilling. I do a little, and then it was gone. And I literally just blew like an hour and a half worth of shooting because of my dogs, or it's my fault really, but like I'm gonna lay some blame on them. Anyways, I threw the drone up to chase the boat and it ended up being pretty sick. So let's just look at that.
Shorty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off, they know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty wanna ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all really get it. They been taking L's, they can't see how I've been winning. And I got a drip, so they see me making waves. They don't even see how many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise. Said I couldn't do it, but I told my girl to pipe down. Need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shorty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean.
Yeah. I've been buying 40 once I heard the 36s. I can tell 100 stacks by eye, I'm a mathematician. Just so many plays up from my dealer, I get commission. Walking, I got my bitches on display like exhibition. If a Wi-Fi connected ain't the first time. $250,000 in the Hermes, hurt my shoulder. In Dubai, got my base down, my turntide off. Moving in a motorcade, in the bourbon riding solo. Yeah, solitaire stones look like breath mints. Yeah, can rock fake jewelry, I need an EpiPen. That bitch fucking with a shrimp, she pescatarian. She wanna come fuck with a boss, she ate every inch. Yeah.